Guys, today, God willing, we will talk about a very strong site to profit from watching advertisements and watching videos. A very easy and very simple site by pressing the button. You will really be able to achieve a respectable number. This is our website here, the adbtc website. A very respectable site, as you can see, and you will find advertisements like this here. Of course, you will click on sign up. I will leave you the link under the description box. You can register without any problems. You will put your email here the password, and here is the CAPTCHA. You registered and did all these things, and you still have your account. The second step is what? Here you add the email, here the password, and here you solve this CAPTCHA and start here if you trample on it. Here it says success. I entered it, as you can see. Any job, I will show you the proof of the withdrawal. Your Honor, here is this word, and you are paying attention to me. This is the ruble. We will start clicking on it, as you can see. Here we withdraw 46 rubles on my account, and it is written here with the hand that the payment has been made. We start going back like this. We will find the process in front of you. It is 46 rubles, and if we come here, I mean adbtc, or as we see the comment, or the source means the one who sent us the money, the adbtc website. Well, let me tell you how to work on this site. How is the matter? Very easy. I mean, you earn from it. I mean, for example, here is surf ads. It means that you answer ads, but of course it makes sure that you are not a robot. It brings you here like a mathematical operation. Or like that, you can change it. I mean, you can answer it as a patch. As you can see, you start to download SEMbyte, as you can see here. It says this site. If I look at it, I will take 12 and 16 Satoshi. I will start. Click here on open. As you can see, if we go back again on the site, you will find here this timer is counting. You have to keep opening the same site as the one on the ad. You can keep opening another tab as you see that while he is working to sell it and you make profits. He will start, if he counts it, he will start. Stay focused. We have 44,535. Focus on 535. This is because after 6 years, 12 and 16 will be added, as you can see. Refresh by itself, as you can see, it is 548. Well, what else is there in here in rubles? I mean, here we worked with Satoshi. As you can see here, it tells me that if I work, you will take the number. No, this is the number that I made. Tell me, click as you can see. There are sites on this site. If you click here, add a video of mine. As you see a video here, this is 30 seconds, and this is 30 seconds. Here, for example, if I saw this video, I would take 4 out of 100 rubles. If I saw this, I would take 4 out of 100 rubles. Here is auto surfing. This is also very good, guys. Auto surfing. Let me trample on it. Oh, here I finished all my ads because he wasn't going to get me other ads in the active window, as you can see. I'll take 3 Satoshi on them. I'll start stepping on them like that. When this time ends, we will see how much we will win. We are open, so we started to do a refresh. Here you have to solve this CAPTCHA. I see that I say here, choose 2 of the similar surahs. These auto-serving needs I finished, as you can see. I answer this message. Today I gained 3. 5 satoshis. I finished them. And I have here in the end a short link. Of course, you turn around in these things, sir, and you start making profits. Look at the ads. They start clicking on this. Look at 11 and some Satoshi. You start trampling on open. It will start that it is, as you can see, the equipment under it, and it is working. As you can see, guys, I earned 11. 2 is the balance added, and so you can achieve, for example, $3 or $4 a day through this site and make very respectable profits. The site has also increased if you want to invite your friends, and that is what I really do. I used to explain this site a long time ago that I had cases, or I had members on this site soon, 3,109. And its link, I will also leave it to you in the description box. I wanted to make proof that this site is working and withdrawing until today, as you can see here on my account, the 46 rubles that I plundered from this site. If you want more videos, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to it, the channel, and activate the bell so that you can see me again. Thank you, and we will meet, God willing, in new videos. Peace, mercy, and blessings of God be upon you.